What is up, responsible day traders? Today is Tuesday. I don't know what day it is. Today is Tuesday, September 29th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. Woo, let me tell you, I had to buckle up buttercup today because I took 3 losses in a row, and it made my tummy feel a little strange. Actually, I wasn't feeling really great when I sat down, and it took a little while before I felt good. I ended up taking some ibuprofen, which helped me feel much better, and then my brain was back on point. So it was a good lesson for me. Number 1, trading when I don't feel good. It gets me nowhere. It does not allow me to think with clarity. When I took those 3 losing trades in a row, I said, do I stop now? The way I used to trade was I had 3 losing trades in a row and we called it a day. I bumped that up to 4 after learning a little bit more about myself, and I almost shut it down with that first 3. 3 trades, 4 contracts, 1.25. Those 3 losses equal 15 points. So I started off negative 15 points, and whew, that's a tough pill to swallow. So I just had to breathe, put my brain together, and do the thing. I ended up positive, not as positive as I would have liked. My plan was to be done around 11. It's 11:22 right now, so that wrapped everything up and we're good to go. Whew. Just breathe. Woosah. It was a little tough this morning to watch, and I think watching that drop happen and not participating in it got me a little frustrated. So I tried to force it, and that's just what happens. Hopefully, if you did something like that, you learned about yourself today like I did. I learned that I don't need to trade when I just don't feel good. Wait, take a breath, step away, come back to it. And I also learned that I'm more responsible than I used to be, because I used to just kill it after that and go more and more. No, it must be going to the downside. Just being patient and waiting has done me so much good, and it's a tough game sometimes, but we gotta buckle up, buttercup, and make it happen. Just remember, I run a tight ship. Wreck. Enjoy the show. All right. Good morning, responsible day traders. Wow. Okay. So this market really smoked to the upside. The BBs are green. They're inside. We're just starting to get our first BB really inside of the Bollinger Bands. And this is our first bar to possibly pull away. I don't know if I really believe it. I think it may pull down a little bit more and hang out in this area, but we'll have to wait and see if this is just going to hold here and pop up, or if it's going to come back in. The EMAs say down here, and we are below the 0 line. But the MACDs are really struggling to just even give any kind of oomph to the downside. So if you look right here on the 2584, which is the 10946 on the ES, we're just kind of stuck between these areas. Giving looks in both directions. This is not cute. So it's 9 o'clock right now. I have set for myself that I'm going to be here until 11. I don't feel like I'm missing anything right now because it's a really tough read. Definitely can see the FOMO feeling after going to the restroom and coming back and seeing all this. Stomach feels terrible, y'all. Oh, this gives me a great place to be behind on the 55. Well, this may pop up, but I think we're going to see this drop a little bit more with this reversal bar. Am I getting impatient? I think so. Okay, that's 3 in a row. I give myself one more and then I'm done. But I feel I keep needing to look for the short because I missed all of this. It's dying out. It's saying it's going to give a deeper pullback. Okay. Whew. I don't want to be in if it pulls all the way back here. There we go. Although this screams, take the short, Lindsay. Take the short. Sweep the leg, Johnny. No way. No way, Josie. God, thank God I feel better. I was really feeling like crap. I shouldn't have ever taken those 3 trades, feeling like poop. Okay. Ooh. There we go. We're all in. There we go. Okay. Gosh, guys, today has been tough. Okay, and you know what? It's 2 hours and 8 minutes. It's a little bit more than I'm used to for the day. Well, let's see this real quick. So this is how I started off my day. This is how I ended my day. So I was down 15. I ended 5 up. So today's not a big winner. $25. That would be $250 if I was trading the ES. But we're going to go ahead and mark these up. My first 3, guys. Oh, God, they're nothing but ego when I look at those kind of things. And I take 3 losers in a row. That is my ego. After commissions, I'm not really going to be, I'll probably be about a break even. It's really uncomfortable to know that I got a bigger risk on it. You know, it'd have been more comfortable to know that, oh, I only lost 7.5 points instead of 15. So it doubles that up and it does make it an uncomfortable situation, but it doesn't change things. We still treat it exactly the same. I laugh at myself, but you know, guys, honestly, if I think about where I came from with this kind of thing, 5 points with starting off with 3 losses is actually a victory. Because there was a time when I would let that destroy me and I would continue to take losses after. So the plus 5 points is quite a victory. I look at this and I'm like, whew, 18. That's 18 separate commissions, okay? So it just means I need to refine myself to where I'm not allowing myself to take 3 losses in a row. Did I see the reason to not take them, especially by the 3rd one? But you know what? That ego jumps on in there and takes control sometimes. And so we have to realize that when that happens, we gotta breathe. And we gotta buckle up, Buttercup, because it's a wild ride sometimes. This just goes to show we can anticipate until the wheels fall off. But until we wait for the proper signals, it's just anticipations and it's just speculation. And it's speculation until the trade actually happens. I tried to force 3 trades in a row. It was a little scary because 15 points on the MES is $75, but on the ES, that's $750. So that's a huge difference. 5 points on the MES is $25. 5 points on the ES is $250. So I'm walking away with very small profits. That's okay. I recovered from a big loss. I almost shut it down after the 4th trade, which would have still had me a little negative. It's a tough experience, y'all. I don't think about it much that I had that same kind of thought process and experience when I moved from 1 contract to 2. I've kind of forgotten about how that feels to increase. And so I am so grateful that we have the MES where I can practice that and I can feel a little more comfortable with trading the MES over the ES while I'm getting my bearings on these 4 contracts. I don't know if I'll be around tomorrow. Maybe that was part of what it is. I have a dentist appointment tomorrow. I'm getting, fitted for a crown. I'm scared just a little bit. My stomach was feeling queasy. I had all kinds of going on. Just gotta listen, pay attention, and move forward from there. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and wrap it up. I hope that everybody has an amazing Tuesday. And as always, I look forward to catching you on the profitable side. I love y'all being here with me, so please like and subscribe so we can spend a little more time together.